गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट्स। तो आज हम लोग एक नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करेंगे। सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग द चैप्टर लेट अस परफॉर्म एन एक्टिविटी. So students, a sequence is given in front of you and what you have to do, you have to continue the sequence, you have to complete the sequence. आपके सामने एक sequence में shapes arranged है और आपको क्या करना है, आपको उसी sequence को आगे continue करना है. तो हम देखते हैं क्या shapes हैं. The first is a rectangle, then an oval, then again rectangle and oval. So now tell me what shape will come next. Yes, very good. A rectangle. So we'll keep a rectangle. Then and oval. Then rectangle and oval again. So this way our sequence is complete. So students, in the same way, let us complete some other sequences. So look here. What do you see? 2 chalks and a bottle. Then again 2 chalks. So what will come next? Very good. A bottle. And then 2 chalks. And then again what will be there? A bottle. So in this way our sequence is complete. Okay students, so let us complete one more sequence. So this is a long bead cylinder and a triangle. Long bead cylinder. So what will come next? इसके बाद क्या आएगा? Yes, very good. A triangle. Then a long bead. Then a triangle. And then a long bead. So this way we have learned to make and complete sequences. So let us begin our new chapter, chapter number 10, patterns and shapes. So students, as we had done in the activity, we had learned to complete the sequences. So on the blackboard also, let us learn to complete the sequences given. Okay. So look at the blackboard. The first sequence given here is a star, then a sun. A star, then a sun. So what will come next? Yes, a star. So let us make a star. Then after the star what will come? Yes, a sun. So we will draw a sun. And after the sun what will come? A star again. So this way our sequence is complete. Okay. Now the second sequence. What do you see here? This is a ice cream. So an ice cream is inverted. Okay. Ulti hai wo ice cream. So inverted ice cream, normal ice cream, inverted ice cream, normal ice cream. So what will come next? Very good. And inverted ice cream. So let us draw here an inverted ice cream. Then what will come? A normal ice cream. Then next क्या होगा? एक inverted ice cream. Okay. Now the next sequence. See, a leaf is there and some numbers are also written in the leaves. तो देखो, leaf के अंदर पहला नंबर क्या लिखा है? 2. And after 2 what is the number? 5. तो हम 2 में कितना ऐड करेंगे कि 5 बने? Yes, we'll add 3. So 2 plus 3 will give us 5. And 5 plus 3 will give us 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 plus 3 will give us 8. And 8 plus 3 will give us number 11. So what will be our next sequence? Add 3 and 11. So what will be the answer? Yes, very good. Our answer will be 11 plus 3 will be number 14. So first we will draw a leaf and we will write the number 14. And next what will be the sequence? 14 plus 3. So when we add 14 and 3, what will be our answer? Our answer will be 17. Okay, our answer will be 17. And what we have to do the last? sequence we'll add 3 more, so 17 plus 3, 17 में हमको 3 और ऐड करना है, तो हम लीफ ड्रॉ करेंगे और 17 के बाद 3 और काउंट करेंगे, तो आंसर क्या बनेगा 2020, क्या बनेगा 2020. So this way our sequence is complete. Okay, now the last sequence. See, trees are drawn and some numbers are written. So see the first number 10, and after 10 11, and after 11 what is the number 12. So we have to count till the last tree. Okay, so after 12 what number comes? Very good. After 12 the number is 1 3 13. 13 के बाद क्या आता है 1 4 14, और 14 के बाद 1 5 15. So this way our last sequence is also complete. Now we move on to the textbook exercises. So students, chapter number 10, patterns. So we have the question here on page number 111 and the question is extend the sequence. तो जैसा हमने ब्लैक बोर्ड पे देखा था वैसे ही हमें सीक्वेंस जो दी हुई है उसको आगे कंटिन्यू करना है. सो सी, पहला क्या लिखा है टी, देन इन्वर्टेड टी, उल्टा टी लिखा है, देन नॉर्मल टी, देन इन्वर्टेड टी. सो द नेक्स्ट विल बी नॉर्मल टी, देन इट विल बी एन inverted T, then again a normal T. Okay, so this way we have completed the sequence. So the next in line is 2 lines then a circle, 2 lines and a circle, then 2 lines. So after 2 lines there will be a circle, then again there will be 2 lines, then again there will be a circle. Okay, so we have completed our pattern. Now next see, normal arrow then inverted arrow, normal arrow then inverted arrow. So now it will be a normal arrow, then we'll draw an inverted arrow, then again a normal arrow. Okay, see, V then inverted V, V and then inverted V. So next will be V, then inverted V, then V. So this way you will complete the next 3 patterns also. So on page number 112 some questions are given, so let us complete. So the question here is what comes next in the sequence. इस sequence में next क्या आएगा. Okay, so the first is a circle, then the sun, circle, then the sun. So what will come next? A circle, and then after circle we'll make a sun, then after sun again a circle. So this way we have completed the sequence. Now this next you will do and I'll do the next one. So this is a drop, then this shape, then drop, then this shape. So the next will be a drop shape, and then the next shape we'll draw, and then again the drop shape. Okay, so this you will do and I'll do the next one. This is a smiley. So which smiley face will come next? The smiley face of oval, then the normal smiley face, then again the first smiley face. Okay, so these 2 you will complete on your own. Now let us move to the next page. The next exercise we will complete. Fill in the boxes in the sequence. Fill in the boxes in the sequence. तो यहाँ पे boxes कुछ empty boxes हैं, तो आपको उसमें sequence wise fill करना है. So leaf, flower, leaf, then what will come? A flower. So we'll draw a flower here. Then again leaf, then flower, then what will come? 2 leaves. Okay, then again flower. I'll do the second one also. Circle, triangle, rectangle, circle, triangle, then what will come? A rectangle, then circle, then what will come? Triangle, and then a rectangle. See, 1 circle, 2 circle, 3 circles. So now what will come after 3 circles? there will be 4 circles. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So we have 4 circles. Then after 4 circles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 circles. So after 5 circles, how many circles will come? Yes, there will be 6 circles. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have drawn 6 circles. So this way you will complete the next 3 questions on your own. Now let us move on to the next page of the chapter. See, on page number 114, the question is study the pattern and fill in the missing numbers. आपको patterns को पढ़ के और जो missing numbers हैं उनको fill करना है. Okay, so see 1, then after 1 3 is given. So जब हम 1 में कितना ऐड करेंगे तो 3 आएगा. We'll add 2, so it will become 3. Then what will we add? 2 more, so 3 plus 2 will be 5. Then 2 more, so it will be 7. So 7 plus 2 will be 7, then 8 and 9. So what will be our next number? 9. Then after 9 we'll add 2 more. So what will be our number? 9 के बाद 10 and 11. So our number will be 11. And then after 11 when we add 2 more, our answer will be 13. ठीक है, जब 1 में हमने 2 ऐड किया तो 3, then we'll add 2 more, then 5, then we add 2 more, then 7, then we add 2 more, then 9, and then 2 more 11, and then 2 more, then answer will become 13. So this is our pattern. So let us see the next. So 16, then 17. 17 के बाद क्या आता है? 18, 18, then 19, 19, 20, 20, 21 and 22. So our pattern is complete. Now the last one I am going to do, and the rest 3 you will do on your own. So see, the first number given here is 10. 10 के बाद क्या लिखा है? number 20. So when we add 10 more to 10, जब हम 10 में 10 और ऐड करेंगे तो आंसर क्या आएगा? 20. So then we'll add 10 more to 20. So our answer will become 30. Then 10 more, so 30 plus 10 will become 40. Then 40 plus 10 will become 50, and 50 plus 10 will become 60. So 10 plus 10 20, plus 10 30, plus 10 40, plus 10 50, and the next is 50 plus 10 is 60. So this way you will complete the next 3 exercises also. Now let us move on to the next exercise on the next page. See, you have to complete the pattern. हमें क्या करना है? Pattern को complete करना है. So in the first space there is 1 triangle, then 2 triangles, then 3 triangles. 1 triangle, 2 triangle, and then 3 triangles. So what will be our next? 4 triangles. So 1, 2, 3 and 4 triangles, and after 4 triangles we'll draw 5 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this way we have completed the pattern. See the next 1, 2, 3 flowers, then 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers. So what we have to draw? 6 flowers. So we'll draw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So after 6 flowers, how many flowers we'll draw? 7 flowers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and last flower number 7. Okay, now the next shape, 2 ovals, then 4 ovals. So 2 ovals में हमने 2 ovals को और ऐड किया है, then it becomes 4 ovals. Now 4 में जब हम 2 और ऐड करेंगे तो कितने ovals हो जाएंगे? 6 ovals. So the next will be 6 plus 2. So what will be our answer? 8. So we have to draw 8 ovals here. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. और जब 8 में हम 2 और ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा 10. So we'll draw 10 ovals here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so the next you will do on your own and complete this question also. And the last question of this chapter, complete the pattern. जैसा हमने last question किया था वैसा ही है. You have to complete the pattern. So let us see. 2 के बाद क्या लिखा है 4. So when we add 2 to 2 we get 4. जब हमने 2 में 2 को ऐड किया तो आंसर क्या आया 4. तो 4 में जब हम 2 ऐड करेंगे तो क्या बनेगा 6. Then 6 plus 2 will become 8. Then 8 plus 2 will become number 10. Then 10 plus 2 will become 12 and 12 plus 2 will be number 14. 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 2 12, 12 plus 2 14. Okay, now let us see the next. 27, then 28, then 29. 29 के बाद क्या आता है 30. 30 के बाद 31, 32 and 33. 29 के बाद 30, 31, 32 and 33. So this is also complete. So the next you will complete on your own and we'll meet after the holidays. Bye bye.